Hello, baby. How you doing?
It's a good size. I mean, it weighs 50.
Really?
How you doing today?
You know, one more table. It's another auction day today. Didn't do good today. Spent $355. And I will show you what we got because it ain't much of anything. So the first thing here is a Marx Mickey Mouse. It's a wind-up toy. I did preview these and saw, or looked these up and saw comps were all over the place from $2.99 to $3.99. Like I said, I paid $125 for this one. This was a mess up bid. I told him I wanted $5. He charged me $25. I just thought it was something cool. There's a couple of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. This box lot, I spent $75 for this one. It's got a Hubley truck here, and then it's just got these little, I think you call it these Weeble Wobbles. I don't know. This has got something toys. House and Toys? I'm not sure. This one's missing the wheel. There's a wheel here. And then this one. Yeah, well, it says something. This one doesn't say nothing. This one said something, but I'm not sure what I can get for this one. I'll probably just take a wash rag to it, clean it up a little bit. Typically, these go for anywhere from $40 to you can get up to $180 for them, but I don't think that'll be a $180 one. I paid $5 for this Hopalong Cassidy box. I thought I could do something with it. And this will go downstairs in our basement. I paid $55 for this one. It's a Reds Bank Pegasus is what that is. These are very rare, and this is a glass. Now they make them out of plastic, or did make them out of plastic. This Range Rider, what was this one? Remember? I think this was $35. The leg sits here, which I'll have to bend it back into place. And it goes perfect on here. But these were selling anywhere from $199 to $299, I think it was. I'll have to look again. And then my mom bought this for $1. There's not much in there. It's just she thought they were ornaments, but they're actually earrings. But she's got a little tree she's gonna put them in. So that's it. That's all I got. I think I'll probably break even. I think this little Mickey Mouse marks I do pretty good. So I'm not sure, but sorry I don't have more items for you. This is actually not the shortest video because we've had one where I won 2 items. So, but till next one, like, comment, subscribe below, please. Thanks.